Good morning. May papasok na. Aking driver ay nag-chat. Come down daw. Bagay wala pa. Kala ko, Pilipino lang sinungaling ano. Dahil din ibang lahi. So, bagay. May bus din naman din eh. Oh, ayun oh. Sakayan sila. Yan ay walang bayan. Free. Walang bayad. Ayan na siya. Ayan ang aking driver. Dalawa-dalawa. Hi, good morning. How are you? Me, I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. Tomorrow, Thursday, half day. Yes. Mr. Wikrama didn't bring me berkat.
Ano ko?
Yes.
Thursday?
Ha?
Thursday what time?
1 o'clock.
Eh?
1 o'clock Thursday, no? 1 o'clock finish.
1 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay, I am 12:30 there.
No problem. 11 o'clock ang go. No problem. Yan. Kasi every Thursday ako'y half day lang. Kami. Yan. Okay lang. Papasok na.